Restless hearts sleep on roads tonight, sending on my love along the wire. You say that they're running no place to start failing, right down the lines with you and me. I'm forever yours. I want to hear you say, here we go. I can't. Let me check. Come on. Something's wrong under the big top world. To make us smile through space and time, always another shore, wondering where I am, lost without you, and being upon easy on this thoroughfare. Two strangers learn to fall in love again. I get the joy of rediscovering. Oh, Lord, stand by me. I'm forever yours. One more time, let's sing together. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the man of guitar, BJ. Ready ba natin ikaw sa ating mga kamay? Let's sing this song together. Come on. Excited na kayo kay BJ? At this time, we're gonna give you BJ for our next song. Hope you like this one.
Sino ba mga mahilig dito sa all-time favorite music? Gusto niyo ba yung mga makalumang kanta? Meron ba mga kabataan dito? Sino mga kabataan? Pare-pareho yung itsura. Mga kabataan? Alright, para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music, samahan niyo kami sa aming next song.
Sadness in your eyes. I don't wanna say
that's why you go. Only I know. This moment I've never seen such a loving queen. Yung sa likod, sabay-sabay tayo lahat. Hey! From the skies above to the deepest love I've ever felt. Crazy like this before. I wanna hear you say, come on! Play my love, say. It's the picture of thousand sunsets. It's the feeling among a thousand doves. Baby, you should pay my love. Since you came into my life, the days before all fade of black and white. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. Pwede ba namin marinig yung energy ng mga tawa? Yung mga single dito ngayong gabi. After some time, I found a made up my mind. She is the girl, and I really want to make her mine. I'm searching everywhere to find her again. Let's go! To tell her I love her.
we need an audience participation. Pero, hindi lahat pwede yun. Kasi para to sa mga couples ngayong gabi.
Sino ba mga couples dito nandito ngayong gabi?
Okay. Ganito. Kapag gusto nyo pong isayaw yung partner nyo, you can dance wherever komportable kayo. Alright?
Pwede nyo isayaw dyan sa taas, ha?
Yes, pwede sumama dyan.
Alright, next song para sa lahat ng mga in love ngayong gabi. Oy, wag mag-alala yung mga single mamaya. May time tayo, ha? Simple lang po yung gagawin ng single ngayong gabi. Sabay-sabay lang tayo. Sana all. Yan lang. Simple lang. Alright, para sa lahat ng mga in love. There's all from Kid Rogers. I don't sleep. I don't dream. I know your plans don't include me. Still here. What a story. Longing for shelter for all to see. Why should we worry? No one will care. We got the stars now, so far away. We've got to know who needs tomorrow. We've got tonight, babe. Why don't you stay?
Deep in my soul, I've been so lonely. Out of my house, fading away. I'm long alone, like everyone else does. I know I keep searching until today.
We've got it all now.
And here we are, babe, under your side. We've got tonight. Who needs tomorrow? We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay?
I know it's late, I know you're weary. I know your plans don't include.
Still here we are. Both of us lonely. Both of us lonely.
Got you.
Who needs tomorrow?
Let's make it last.
Let's find a way.
Turn out the light.
Come take my hand now. We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay? We've got tonight, babe. Why don't we stay?
Yeah! Ito na.
Ito na talaga. Gusto po namin makakita ng couples ngayon na sasayaw. Ato may mga couples dito. You can dance with your partner. Come on!
You're everything that I've been looking for. Yeah! And I look into your eyes and couldn't ask for more. There you go. Stay in love, no? Pwede nyo isayaw dyan sa mga upuan nyo. Come on.
I'm gonna need a little time.
Sabay-sabay!
You know what?
So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes with this broken heart then I know it's gonna be you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again, dami nito ah, parang kasala ng bayan ah. Go! Diyan sa taas, come on!
I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down.
Let's go!
And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'll come around.
But I know it's time to let someone. Diyan sa taas, come on!
I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'll come around.
But I know it's time to let someone inside. So feel ready now to try. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again, let's go!
I'd be a fool to ever let you go.
You're the best thing in my life, when you know you gotta take it slow. Umuwi lang ng mga ilang. Always pray lang. Oh, it's gonna be trouble to pull through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again, and if I ever fall in love again.
Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga co-hosts natin. Thank you guys for dancing with us. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Yeah. Habang nagsisettle sila sa mga upuan, sino po ba mga mahilig dito sa OPM? Original Pinoy music. Supportahan po natin yung mga kanta ng Pilipino. Alright, this time, I'm gonna give you some couple of OPM. Sana po magustuhan po ninyo. You can sing along with us if you know the song. Makaharap ba ang mawawala sa aking piling? Halika niyak mo, ay di mo na kayang isipin.
single dito ngayong gabi? Yung walang mga partner? Sino yung mga iniwan dito ngayong gabi?
Ang dami yung iniwan.
Taga-Ottawa ba ang lahat? Sino mga taga-Ottawa? Taas kamay.
Mga Ottawa, yes.
Yung na bumisita lang dito, sino? Marami ng mga broken-hearted na bisita. Okay, para sa lahat ng mga iniwan ngayong gabi, para sa inyo next song. Sabayan niyo kami, sa likod. I remember the day.
Bilib ko sa boses sa lalaki.
Those laughters and tears we shared for years. Memories that we had so lost in you. Now you go away, you left me all alone. Do what did you want? But please don't leave me. You break my heart. Hey, what should I do if I'm missing you? Please don't disappear. These are the words you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you.
Maganda
Can't
mag-
leave a part of me. I wish someday we'd be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the man at the top. PJ! Ayos ba yung mga single ngayong gabi? Let's hear one more!
Yes!
There's another song. At first time namin dito sa Ottawa. So gagawin din natin ito. Ipakita natin sa buong mundo kung gano'n tayo karami ngayong gabi. Ayos na ba yun? Alright, meron mo tayo mga flashlights sa phone. Pwede ba natin i-turn on? Sabay-sabay natin pailawan yan. With our flashlights. Come on, more flashlights. Mas maganda po. Ayan, sa taas kasama po kayo dyan. Yes, that's it. And let's sing the song together. Para po sa inyo lahat. But I was only smile. You look at me and made me wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found a light to me that I couldn't find. You know the song? So when I'm all choked up, you walk, come on. happy just to have you. You're all the love I need tonight. It's like a dream.
Party people!
Oh no, I'm not asleep. I never want to wake up.
Let's go!
Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, live in the breathless and tease me until I get tonight. It's loving, feeling, make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah. My boy, come on, go on.
Nag-enjoy naman tayo lahat ngayong gabi. Sino mga mahilig sa reggae music ngayon ba? Dapat sasayaw tayo lahat. Walang uuwing hindi pinapakawisan ngayong gabi. Sabay-sabay! Hey! 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, 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 yeah! Yeah! Mukha pa ko maski dyan ilang natanan Nagpingan sa tugtog sabay sa jinjin akong amiga Mamagayong sa ulo para mamina Susunan lang ang iligan pa sa bulit Sa kong amigo nga action kayo Achok! May mapalito pagkaran sa kayo Mag-ilata mga bantan niya Mag-ilistorya sa linera Maliit kong may nakapantay Kay kuya ko Mabaga sa silingan nga nagsunod-sunod Nilimutan ang isang simama May isbiyaho Diyos ko lang, ayan ka na naman Ang piling ko sa'yo ay huwag pasobrahan Gumamit ka ng tama na kaya sa isipan At huwag ka lilimutan mo sa mga Lexus Brana Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah Yeah Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah Yeah When you dance real Sabon sa maliw ko sa letter Kaya ko naman hamon Magulang isa sa area May makatuga o mas kilangaw Magbinuang mo rin maghinalaw daw Kaya kung ako maglawat Gusto na akong magkato Nakala ko rin na imong kaiso Ayun sige ginambo Kung babinulay ko Nakala ko rin na imong kaiso Ayun sige ginambo Kung babinulay ko Nakala ko rin na imong kaiso Ayun sige ginambo Kung babinulay ko Nakala ko rin na imong kaiso Ayun sige ginambo Kung babinulay ko Hey Sige, tinibok sa pinalay ko. Gusto niyo ba ba? Sino mga mahilig sa reggae music ngayong gabi? Are you ready? Dapat sabay-sabay tayo lahat. Next song namin para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa reggae music. By the rivers of Babylon. Hey, hey, hey! Jump, jump, jump! Everybody jump! Somewhere among us, Zion. Come on! By the rivers of Babylon. We shall down. Jump, jump, jump! Yeah, we will. Somewhere among us, Zion. Come on! There's the weak music carrying us away on the TVT. The fire from us, the sun. Oh yeah! Now us shall listen to the love song. In these strange lands. There's the weak music carrying us away on the TVT. The fire from us, the sun. Now us shall listen to the love song. In these strange lands. By the rivers of Babylon. And we shall down. Yeah, yeah, we will. Now I remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon. And we shall down. Yeah, yeah, we will. Now I remember Zion. Let the word on my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in His sight tonight. Let the word on my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in His sight tonight. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we will. Now I remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we will. Now I remember Zion. There's a weak music carrier, so when you come to BT, require from us the song. Now I shall be singing the Lord's song in this strange land. There's the weak music carrier, so when you go to BT, require from us the song. Now I shall be singing the Lord's song in this strange land. By the rivers of Babylon, now we sat down. Let the word on my meditations of my heart be acceptable in His sight here tonight. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we will. Now I remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we will. Now I remember Zion.
Grabe ang energy!
Souls without you, I know you were right. Believing for so long, I'm all out of love. When I'm all without you, I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong.
Again.
for you to say I never go away. It's alright now that you need me. Now that you need me. I love you tonight. It feels so right. Feels so right. Holding you, a feeling I'll never outgrow. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can feel that space inside. So it's no sense pretending my heart is not easy. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought I could stay on my own. Oh baby, those memories keep crashing through, and I'm just scared. Go on without, go on without. It's just no good without you. Here's another song. Ubusin na natin to. I was the lonely one, wondering what went wrong. Why love had gone and left me lonely. I was so confused, feeling like just being used. Then you came to me, and my loneliness left me. I used to think I was trying too hard. That was a heartbreak, but now that I found you, even the nights are better. Now that we need together, even the nights are better since I found you. Oh, even the days are brighter when someone who loves me beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you. Now the night is gone. Now the night is gone. That's the seeds that long behind the odds of us to stay. Hold in your arms for just another day. I promise this one will go slow. We have the right, you know.
stop sign. Andra ko ngayon, Vincent. Ayaw, magaling. There we go! Ayan. Sino mga Bisaya dito ngayong gabi?
DJ Yukis, Idol.
Everybody, come on! Sige nga, sige nga!
Yang tikongkong tikangkang hilot
Siyang sayang unita
Ay, sayawan na.
Pinadauday Situna pinapagpatan
Kapakandunan-dunan Amasok ng pinapanan
Kagulat inalikati Ang galaw-galaw
Iipipirit
Wow
Papirit ko papirit Imong nawang morang pirit
Ay, magpapatalo ba kayo doon?
Ari dayang
Come on! Lower, lower!
Ari
Dayang, dayang, dayang
Yang
Oy!
tikongkong tikangkang hilot ng ko
Magmukaldo kaulado Pakanitita Miru-miruday Kaya nalasipin ko Nagkaragagagag
No! Sayawa, uy! Papirit ko papirit Inyong nawang morang pirit Pirit, pirit, pirit
Kayo dyan sa taas! Ano na dyan? Ikaw dayang, 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 dayang Yeah!
Ari kayang tikongkong tikangkang hilot ng ko imong tianggikan sulo sa dughan sa bugan
Dayang pabrana Patay-atay Na malaisip ito Maapi na paanto Ilapulang kumpleto pa Ano pa? Pirit-pirit
Papirit ko papirit Inyong nawang morang pirit Pirit, pirit, pirit
Ay dayang
Tikongkong
Ay dayang 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 dayang
Ari kayang tikongkong tikangkang hilot ng ko
Gusto niyo magbunot?
tianggikan sulo sa dughan sa bugan
Gusto niyo
ikapon
magbunot?
kong himulsuhan halahayang kay butangan
Let's go!
To the DJ Yukis, Idol.
Fly high butterfly
Everybody come on!
Hey!
Fly high butterfly Fla, 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 fla Fly high butterfly
No!
La, fly high butterfly Cappuccino paralela putong sahur Paro, paro, G Papa, paro, paro, G Paro, paro, G Papa, paro, paro, G Paro, paro, G Papa, paro, paro, G Paro, paro, G Okay tayo Sige patisoy ang mga tisoy Mura pong gidongoy Kalangoy-langoy Sayaw tapok-tapok Mura ka tapok-tapok Dalat sa mangita Og samok-samok Sayaw mga choy 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 Yalla, sukarang choy Sayaw kang tanan Bilisan tuhan Dagan kayo kung tao Makiat ang tanan Makiat ang tanan Bilisan tuhan Kayo sa mga ang sweetness Mga layas ang tanan gali diri sa bakadiri. Come on, sa bakadiri.
Actually guys, soundcheck pa lang yun.
Oh yeah! Once again guys, gusto ko namin magpasalamat dahil sa napakasayang gabi nito, sa mainit ko pagtanggap sa amin dito, maraming salamat po. Gusto niyo ba? Sama ko sa buhay!
A tiny bubble in your eyes makes me feel happy, makes me feel fine. Ay, palakpakan ko, nag-i-enjoy tayong lahat ngayong gabi. Yung mga kabataan, nakikita mo may kabataan dito kanina, nag-i-enjoy ba sila? Saan ulit yung mga kabataan?